And here we are in Le Planet, Villeroger in France, and we've got the Wednesday tea. When I start the trek, the snowshoe or the skiing, I always ask my group, are we ready?
We were born ready!
Ah, yeah!
Que vous êtes prêtes? On est prêtes! Yes!
And just before we're going out on our snow trekking adventure in the forest, we need to make sure that we're safe. So what we've got is we've got American in front, and she's going to check us as we go past that our transceivers are on and are ready to go. Okay, go. It's really important to make sure that everyone's transceiver is on, but also it's transmitting at a long reach as well. So what we've got is we've got 20 meters, someone's in front while they're coming ahead, and then they'll carry on, and then we've got someone else 20 meters in front to test again. All good. Transmitter onto transmits. There we go. And then we walk towards the next person. So then we're checking all the time.
La femelle, sa tache rouge, elle est derrière, elle est sur sa nuque. Tu vois? Et en cherchant à manger, il va créer la loge.
So while we're in the forest, we have these great educational little lessons about the birds, the wildlife, the tracks, what they're eating, and what we expect to see in our secret forests. La forêt secrète.
L'action est juste. Si vous sentez que...
We also play a game, and we have a guess what degree the slope is with the girls. Ok les filles, la pointe ici, quel degré? Quel degré? Enfoncez, enfoncez.
Je dirais à peu près 30. 25. Ah non, 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 non. 20.
21.
I was going to say 22.
Oh, presque.
Please hit the like button and subscribe.
Yeah.
Il y a une loge où il y a un énorme trou dedans et vous pouvez...
So we're doing
avec nous, Isabelle.
a safety exercise, and obviously the dogs are joining in.
Isabelle,
Okay, so she's not dead.
vas-y, sous ta tête, histoire d'être plus confortable, Isabelle. Ok. Est-ce que ça va mieux?
Okay, can I start again?
Ouais.
Okay, and here we are. We have been training. We have the warriors. And we're going to have a little competition. We're going to see how quick we can get our transceiver in search mode and shovel and probe out of the bag. And we're going to try and get it inside 1 minute. On your marks. Get set. Go! Let's go! And the clock is ticking. It's 7 seconds. 9 seconds there. Get this. Might need some more work on that one. Ah! 45 seconds! 45 seconds! Hey, travelling on avalanche terrain and find different paths coming down, and then we go head back to the village. And that's our Wednesday group. So that's what we do on a Wednesday. It's Educational Wednesday. Boom! Boom! Boom!